Good morning everybody. Today is a cold winter's morning here in South Africa. It's the middle of June. Yes, middle of June, so it's pretty much the middle of winter. Car's windscreen is all frozen up. I'm about to head out to Ryan's place. We are going to have a fun day of adventure and go do some long range. Yeah, so hanging out with Ryan, it's going to be fun as always. You'll see if you subscribe to the channel, that's going to be pretty much a recurring theme. Me and Ryan hang out quite a lot. We always have great times and we push each other to do better. Drone bags already on the back, ready to go. Yeah, so excited. Gonna be a fun day. So let's head out. Yo, so we're here at Ryan's posse. Ryan, say hi.
Yay!
We're gonna send 1 or 2 packs, and then there's some mountains back there. Don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna head out that way, see if we can get some cool long range footage. Ryan's got a dope ass long range quad right there.
Oh yeah, made in flight right now.
Made in
Let's
flight,
go.
we're gonna try it out, but I'm also need to send like a 5-inch just around the yard here, because there's a very nice garden. See what we can do around here.
So Benj, bro, can you
What
please
up?
just explain to me why you parking in a tree right now?
I just was looking for a nice comfy parking spot. What are you talking about?
Oh, we gotta show everybody this right now. Oh yeah, baby, check this shit out. That's elegance right there. You're not getting yourself out of that.
Like a glove. Right, we're about to head out to the mountain. Gonna fly some long range. Ryan's first time. Only hurts the first time.
Here we go, guys. We are in the cab. We're on the way. Whoa, this fucking... We haven't been able to make it out of this one turn yet, but
Here we go.
we're going... Oh, here we go. So we're on the mission. We're gonna go and look for a little spot to fly. I'm gonna try my first hand at some... I don't want to say long range because I'm probably not gonna fly that far away from myself, but yeah, we're gonna check it out and see how I do. Hopefully it works, you know. Damn, son. Benj, bro, what are you doing, dude?
Just checking the car's tire.
Damn, but it's beautiful out here. Shit.
Alright, so we had this gorgeous spot. Check that coastline. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Gonna send some packs up here to this mountain right behind us. But it's gorgeous. Gonna see if we can fly at that ridge up there and come back down, hopefully get some epic shots. Should be able to. Hey,
It's time.
Alright, how did that go? How'd that feel?
Ew. Considering I didn't actually fly long range, but I mean I got to dive in the mountain and stuff, it was quite exhilarating. I was way more nervous, I guess, coming into land than what I thought. Ended up with a crash landing, but yeah, I'm very keen to practice and actually send a real long range flight, you know.
Yeah, it's pretty exhilarating. So we're gonna head off, try and get another spot that we can see from here along the coastline. I got a pretty good flight. It wasn't very long. I'll probably put some clips in the video. Probably not the whole flight. I think it'll be just too long, but I might upload that clip on its own, the semi-long range, let's call it, clip. But yeah, let's hit it. Next spot.
Next spot. The next location, eh?
Yeah, I reckon we can do a flight here up those cliffs. Be gorgeous.
I reckon it's gonna be.
Alright, so we're gonna head back now to town, see if we can get a little beach flight, right?
Yeah.
I might chat with Benj.
Yeah, that's it. That's what we're doing, bro. Me and Benj.
That's hilarious.
Oh.
Back at home, well, Ryan's home, decided to not go to the beach. It was quite crowded, might chop someone's face off. So we decided to come back here, have a cup of coffee and destroy some props on these trees. I'll show some footage, and then after that I'm probably going to head home. So it's been a great day, great mission, I think, success. Alright, so that's going to do it for me for today. I'm going to pack up, head home. It's been a great day. I had some great adventures. Eh?
Oh yeah.
There will be many more.